Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel F4. Hopes you are good. In this video I'll show that how to see password on your Discord account. So friends, this way is very easy. Then you have to open your Discord web. See my friends, down corner, user settings, click now. Then you can see username and email. Password is not shown. Then close top of corner, three dot icon, click now. Then settings, then left side autofill and password, then Google Password Manager, and see my friends Discord, and click in. See my friends username and password. Okay. Your password is here. So friends, after watching this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notification. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.